Top-level multifunction RIBOT T blends, mixes, whips, cuts, minces, kneads, heats, cooks, maintains, tempers, pasteurizes, cools, chills and freezes with a range of attachments. The search for genuineness given by natural ingredients, the own production of various specialities offer the freshness required by the consumer. The user-friendly touchscreen offers 20 pastry programs, 14 gelato programs, 11 gastronomy programs and a series of free programs which can be set. Temperatures range from -15 to +110 Celsius. Possibility of changing the speed and the rotation direction between 10 to 500 rotation per minute. The change of direction allows a complete dispensing of the products. Washing and sanitizing are easy and quick. The product is never handled until a possible vacuum packaging. 10, 18, 30-liter models are available.